friends, and hello fellow vintage and jewelry lovers. Welcome back to another jewelry haul. These items I purchased from people online, other resellers that I have come to trust their pieces as being quality, and I am super excited to show these to you today. I have some amazing natural stone pieces, and then over here I have some vintage rhinestone pieces that are just absolutely amazing. I do want to let you guys know I have a sale tomorrow, my Saturday sale. That is at noon Eastern, 11 Central. And Sabrina, Simon Says Let's Make a Deal, will be joining. And my amazing friend and mod, Holy Spirit Firefall Jane, will also be at the sale. I am excited about that. I miss her terribly. Then I want to announce that on Monday, I will be having a live sale on my channel again. It will be at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. And I will have Simon Says Let's Make a Deal, but also very special guest, Dear Angela's Vintage, will be joining us. I'm super excited about that. And I do want to let you guys know, I did put a post on my community page, but I will not be invoicing until Sunday. I've just been dealing with a lot of things here around the house, and you know, no need to go into it here, but I will be invoicing after the Saturday sale tomorrow. And like I mentioned in my post, if you need me to invoice you right away, happy to do so. Just shoot me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com. So without any further ado, I am going to go into each of these pieces, and I'm going to start with these vintage rhinestone pieces back here. Oh my gosh. So this is absolutely stunning. Beautiful vintage brooch. Look at the back. This is over 3 inches. It is gorgeous. All of the stones are nice and clear. They're all pronged and faceted. I love this piece. I'm going to zoom in since we're doing jewelry. It is not marked anywhere, which is crazy. Now, I literally just got these 2 orders in, and I haven't had time to research anything, so I don't know if there's a known maker for this or not, but beautiful piece. Then, all of these are for pierced ears, believe it or not. I'm going to start over here and show you these. These are absolutely beautiful. These are glass as well. I love the post back with the rhinestone there. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunners. They're so pretty. Then back here, I got 2 pairs similar to this. These little dangle earrings. These are post back as well. They are in, all of these pieces are in beautiful condition. They are just stunning. I love these. So these are like a half hoop, and they have these amazing rectangular rhinestones down the center, flanked by more rhinestones. These are so pretty. These are definitely vintage. Look at the backs there. You can tell by the way they're made. These are cool, and they're not too heavy. You know, I'm sure you're looking at this like, oh my gosh, they're so heavy. They're not that bad. Okay, then here is another pair of these little dome post earrings. Beautiful. No maker. I really don't think any of these had a maker. When I was laying everything out, I was trying to make sure, but I don't think they do. That was an optical illusion. I thought there may have been a marking there. Before I sell, because I will go over everything with the loop, make sure all of the rhinestones are there. I like these. These are like dangle hoops. These are really pretty as well. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Then there are these, which are similar to ones well, no, these are not. These are connected. I love these. These are so cool. And as you can see, all of these are silver tone. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There are some hoops here as well, and I think these are more modern. I don't think they're marked anywhere. Aren't they pretty? These are great. Wonderful earrings. Okay, then there are these. I love this little design here. Yeah, it looks like all the stones are in these, which is Wonderful. I don't see a marking. Yes, I do. What does that say? You will have to check it out with the loop. But yeah, these are really pretty as well. Just making sure I didn't miss. I did. So these are longer, kind of these rope studs. Really pretty. These are all silver tone. Did I already say that? I thought it in my brain, but I don't know if I said it. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then I have these kind of deco looking. They have little crystals dangling down. These are definitely older. Here's the back of these. I love the little crystals that dangle there at the bottom. These are wonderful. And then the last are these, which I think are amazing. So these kind of go up your ear, this little leaf design. They have a little clip here, and you put the post part in here, and then they just go up, you know, the outside of your ear, which is awesome. I love that look. And I think it's okay for any age. I don't think you have to be young or anything like that to wear those. I'm not making much sense, but hopefully you get what I was trying to say. Then I picked up 2 pairs of sterling earrings. These are a little bit smaller. These are a feather design. These are brand new. Then these have freshwater pearls and crystals, which, by the way, if anyone is ever looking, or if you are looking for freshwater pearls, let me know. I've got an amazing, well, a couple of amazing pieces. Oh, really pretty. I love the AB on those. So those are sterling. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the bracelets, and then I'm going to move the bust so I can show you what some of these necklaces look like, because they're amazing. This is howlite. Dyed howlite. I just love this. This is a stretch bracelet. I like the shapes. It's a thick bracelet. It's really cool. I know somebody out there is going to love that. Then this is hematite and Larimar. And this one is also a stretch. It is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Back here, so I got this just because it's perfect for this time of year, and I've just been really into orange lately. I need to go get my black light, actually, to see if any of these glow. I haven't done that yet. But these are glass. All the beads are glass, and it ends with a, it comes up here to a C bead with a toggle clasp. You know what? These may be sterling findings. I haven't even looked. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. But just a second, guys. I've got to get the black light now. Okay, guys, I'm trying to see. There might be a little bit of glow on the orange glass. It looks like there is, actually. So, yeah, I just thought that was really pretty. And a lot of people are into glass jewelry right now. So, whoops, let me take this off again. Really pretty. I'm going to put it on the bust right now. All of these necklaces are amazing. Amazing. Okay. Let me show you the orange one on here. There we go. How pretty is that, guys? It's beautiful. And again, oh yeah. I see some glowing going on. Very cool. It almost looks like amberina. That's nice. So this will be offered in a live sale. It's beautiful. Okay. So this one, so this is a chip necklace, as you can see. This is nephrite jade. And I think it's beautiful. This one has a barrel clasp. It's just wonderful. Nephrite jade is kind of popular right now too, so just absolutely amazing. Okay, then this may be my favorite. Well, I've got a couple favorites with this video. Hang on one second, guys. Well, here, let me just show you while it's down as well. Look at this pendant, this amazing goddess pendant, some sort of fertility goddess. Then you have all these different types of jasper. At least I think they're jasper. This is a very long necklace. Look at all the different colors. I love it so much. Okay, let me get this one on the bust. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have it doubled up right now. But brass goddess is so cool. And now that I'm looking at it, these are brass spacer beads too. I love how these different jasper beads are kind of color blocked. Hopefully you can tell that. It is so cool. This piece is amazing. Amazing. It's hand knotted. I'm sure you can see that there. Just a wonderful, wonderful piece. Now this necklace does have some weight to it, just so you know. But when I got this, I was thinking, you know, this would look super cool draped around some pottery, especially like mid-century pottery, you know, something with this colorway in it. I don't know. I just think this is amazing. It would even look good like on display with your brass jewelry. If you are brass jewelry with your brass pieces, if you collect brass like I do. Super cool. Okay guys, now I love this piece as well. Oh my goodness, it looks so good on here. It's the first time I'm seeing it on here. So this is amethyst, dyed abalone, and crystals. So it is beautiful. So these are like purple colored crystals. They're faceted, as you can see here. Then you've got this beautiful dyed abalone. Then at the top, you do have amethyst. And I have tested all of these stones, just so you know. Beautiful. I love how different the colors are of that amethyst up there. It is so pretty. It's so good. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom in a little bit, show you a little bit more of the detail. Then up here you have the amethyst. Here is the clasp. I love that little amethyst drop there as well. This is so pretty. And I'm not just saying that because purple is my favorite color. If this was a different color, I would think so as well. Okay, now I think this is red jasper. Hang on one second. Let me get it on the butt. Well, here, I'll show you down here first. It is beautiful. I love these silver tone beads. I love these gorgeous green. I think these are glass. You know what? I have not tested. It has to be. It looks like it is. But I will, of course, test it. Then you've got these orange. Look how you have this disc there. It is so beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like on. I think this one is just gorgeous. And look how it's faceted down there. Absolutely stunning. This is what it looks like on. It is so beautiful. See all the details here. Here is the clasp. It's just these hooks, which I actually love. I have a hard time sometimes with clasps, and I love, you know, when necklaces have something like that that I can put on by myself without having to ask my husband for assistance. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, this next one is so special as well. This is seed bead with real onyx. Let me put it up here. So this is handmade. You see all these pieces here, they are onyx. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Let me change the angle here. Look at how pretty this is, guys. Absolutely beautiful. There's how you tie it on. Is this not stunning? Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. It looks like there is a string right there that's visible. You know what? All you got to do... Oh, you know what? I think it's probably meant to be this way anyway. Yeah. That happens, though, with some of these seed bead pieces, just so you know. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no damage to it. This is so cool. This would be great for Halloween, too. I just love it's like these nettings with beautiful onyx. Just stunning. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Like I said, live sale tomorrow and sale on Monday. Invoices will go out Saturday and Sunday, just so you know. But I truly hope you enjoyed this haul. You know, I'm picking up more and more jewelry for various different reasons. One reason is it's selling for me. It's selling really well. And I appreciate all of you who buy from my jewelry sales. It means a lot to me. There's another reason why. And this is not because I don't love vintage and antique hard goods. You guys know I do. But the cost of shipping those materials keeps going up and up. And I'm having to kind of factor that into my pricing of some of the hard good pieces that I have. And I just want to mention that. I know a lot of you are here for the hard goods. I'm not giving up on them. Of course, I will still pick them up when I can, but jewelry is doing really well for me right now. And I didn't show this. So this is red jasper. Oh, no. I think this, oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm lying to you. This is red aventurine. Let me show it to you really closely here. It is beautiful. So I did a deep dive into the colors of aventurine when I purchased this, because I didn't realize that. I'm learning a lot about stones, but these are faceted, and there's something about this color, you know, I thought it would be nice for this time of year as well. It's a really pretty necklace. But anyway, I still love hard goods. I'm going to be showing you guys hauls with hard goods, but the sourcing this week has really been jewelry. So hopefully I'm not disappointing anyone. I know some of you have come to like jewelry from watching. Oh, I forgot this one too, guys. The past couple of days have been so rough. So this is rose quartz, and look at this pendant here at the bottom. It is carved in the shape of a rose. This necklace is really pretty as well. I'm going to put it on the bust. So you have some rose quartz pieces in there as well as glass. Okay, there we go. Just a really pretty feminine necklace. You got the little bits of pink there. I love how it's carved. I love the silver beads. It's beautiful. And here is the clasp on this one. This one does have rose quartz on the clasp as well, which I love. Let me fix that. There we go. It's just another beauty. So yeah, hopefully I'm making sense about the hard goods, and I'm hoping you guys can make it to my sale tomorrow. And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're not already. And of course, thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.